Welcome to like a late night edition of the stream, where I'm doing some Janet stuff. Let me actually, you know what? Let me bring up the thingy. I really need to figure this out. Okay, let's see. Yeah, my lighting is just terrible. I really gotta figure that out. Okay, so I figured out how to pop this out. Non-mod settings. Pop out chat. There it is. Okay, so I figured out how to pop this out. So I could close that and then leave this here. Yes. Perfect. Not that anyone's watching, but still. Actually, you know what? I should keep an eye on that. Let me just, I wonder if I can mute this thing.
Nice, we're gonna.
Oh, jeez. Okay. Let me see. Yep. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay, there we go. Okay, I think it's just 0 viewers. That's fine. I gotta figure out how to do that better too. Alright, well, anyway, so if you're viewing, just go ahead and hop in the chat and you can check it out. Alright, so we're just gonna be continuing with the boring programming today. So last time, oh yeah, I actually do need this. Last time I was working on this thing. Wherever it is. Yes, this. All your changes, right? So we're gonna make a GitHub issues to I'm gonna stream for like half an hour probably. I'm waiting on some things. Like I don't really know what I'm doing with lighting, so I have to like figure that out. But other than that, I'm waiting on like a tripod. I'm actually streaming with like a GoPro, because that's just how I roll, you know. I don't whatever. All right. I think I'm just gonna minimize that. Okay. So anyway, so where were we? Oh yeah, we were here. There's something on the screen, right? That was it. That was all I got. So I'm trying to make this. We're trying to make this look like this a little bit, and that's what we're gonna do. So last time I got hung up on this stuff, this H stack B stack stuff, which is what I was talking about. I guess we can go over there and do it. Actually, you know what? I already did this. I did this in another project. Yeah. I like to centralize all my stuff. Well, I actually did it a lot better than I did before. So, okay, cool. So I just copy that over, right? Just cheat a little bit. And then for this, I think instead of all this madness, I'll just say this container, and then cool. It's not quite there. I think last time I did, the container was, oh, I see, I have padding. We could try that instead. Oh, okay, so let's do 2. Oh, perfect. Okay, and then we can just do like small padding, X4, something that's small. Okay, that is not gonna work. What if I did that? No, that totally breaks it. It's interesting. I wonder what Tailwind's thing is for padding. PX auto, is that what we're gonna do? Padding? Yep. Not auto. PX. I'm sure there's modifiers. Yep. Probably that's SMPX4. And then I would have to say like MD PX0 P0 and LG P0. And then it would finally be correct. Don't leave using that. Show your changes in real time. Okay. This is the goal. Now that I have my H-stack thing, so we could talk about Swift UI real quick. This is the inspiration. H-stack. There's probably like a better visual representation of like what it looks like. Oh, I'm really like, I gotta get one of those little, I have one of these little things, little stand things for the mic because I'm like really hunching over. But yeah, I'm not using it. Interesting. I should. Oh, I also wasn't looking at the chat either. Alright. H-stack. Oh, I thought they would have like some kind of visual representation. Alright, well Pylon has it. This other guy who wrote Pylon does a better job than Apple. Can't believe it. 22 minutes to go. Whew, man. Really, time really flies when you're talking to yourself. Alright. Yes. Okay. This is a good representation right here. So these three elements are in an H-stack, right? And then the spacing is controlled here. Which is, you can do it with Tailwind. But you'll have to use like space between. SpaceX, right? Not the end of the world, but you know, whatever. One less CSS file to include. So on our little, let me bring this up real quick just to make sure I'm not out of control. I didn't move the camera or anything. Okay, good. We're still working. Okay. Yeah. So this is kind of, yeah, this does exactly what I want. Oh, I love this. Oh man, SpaceX reverse, incredible. Okay, whatever. The goal is this. So this is an H-stack, right? You could tell it's an H-stack because like this like thing, there's like three elements with a bunch of spacing. One thing I should look at space between is probably I need like a gap between them, right? Like a big gap. Oh, I have the spacer. Okay. So instead of that, we're just gonna have this container and we're gonna say H-stack. It's not gonna look quite like the Figma design that I came up with, but you know, whatever. Oh, if you're just tuning in, we're using the Janet programming language, and we are making a GitHub issues to changelog web application. SaaS application, that's what we're gonna do. All right. So here we'll say something like, we'll do an H1. Actually, we'll do not an H1. We'll just do a div for now, right? And then we'll say all your changes. And then I think I want to give it just like a little bit. I do want to do just like a little bit of padding on the top. Because I already did P0. We'll do PX0, PX, and then we'll do PT4. PT4. There we go. Looks a little better. So here, this is where the VStack comes in, right? Because you want some space, so you would say space Y6, right? And then hopefully it would do the thing. Oh, we need way more space than that. Oh, got you covered. So let's try 64. Let's see what it looks like. Yeah, it actually doesn't look too bad. Let's cut it in half. Oh yeah, that's pretty good. All your changes, and then we'll do like a spacer here. The spacer is just literally just like flex 1, and then we will have 2 links, right? Which I should probably come up with a link. It's an anchor tag, and we say link. What's the primary color here? Let's just what did I make it in Figma? Oh, I don't have it. Let's make it that blue, I guess. Blue 500. Text blue 500, and then we'll say like underline link pricing link sign in with GitHub. All right, perfect. And then we need a little bit of spacing, so we'll give it space Y6 or space Y. Jeez, there we go. All right, so this is the cool part about this H-stack thing, which I mean, you know, it's just like a rebranded Flexbox, but it's pretty cool. It lets you just like not worry about padding and things. You just kind of just say, I want this laid out horizontally. So then, I mean, I wrapped it up in H-stack, but you just say flex and all this stuff row, and then I don't even need this anymore since it gives me the space between. Yep. And then yeah, you just give it some space between, and you're off to the races. It's looking pretty good, right? Actually, almost as fast as Figma. Not bad. So this is just for desktop, right? Obviously the mobile is over here. It's very limited. Actually, yeah, it's very limited. I haven't really tackled that yet, even though I should. All right, 15 minutes to go. Let's hit the button. Sign in with GitHub. So that's after the H1. Let's just do space 20. Let's do 24. See what that looks like. Oh yeah, a little better. Oh, this is too vague. GitHub. Let's see. Track your. Let your users know about your changes via GitHub issues. It's very, very straightforward. Yeah, maybe I like the dark thing. Don't leave it uses the dark. It'd be cool if dark, yeah, dark should definitely be, dark is a language, but dark should also be, should be a link. And then you should be able to, users in the dark. Just to get a space. There we go. Show your changes in real time. Show your changes. Show your changes. Share your GitHub issues in a public change log. Oh. Show GitHub. Show your changes, yeah. Show your changes in public? In a public? Ugh. Show your changes in public. Ugh, it's terrible. Show your changes. Yeah, we'll just leave it in real time, even though I really don't like So dark should probably be actually dark. Gray, 800. Oh, text. Right, of course. Oh, wow, it didn't even override it. Text gray, 500? Oh, wow, when you do two colors in Tailwind, it doesn't override. Come on now, Tailwind. Come on. Man, that really stinks. It's interesting. Thought for sure it would do that. Okay, so then I guess we have to have like or something, right? Like variations on this thing. Dark gray. I mean, I guess I don't need it to be a symbol. It could just be a function, right? And then you could just give it whatever you wanted, right? That could just be the text and then like the route. So then you could do something like we could do like link to or something, and then give it a link. I really don't want to mess with colors though all the time, do I? Yeah, that just freaking stinks. Text current. What if I do text current? Wow. Text blue 900. Oh, it does actually. Text gray. Oh, maybe text gray. Oh, is it gray with an E? No, there's no friggin' way. Text gray 800. Dang, that's so crazy. What the heck? Whatever. I'll do that later. Text blue. What was it? It was darker, right? Yeah, it's a little better. This is insane. I can't believe that's not working. Whatever. Let's do 800 and see what it looks like. Yeah, that's... So it looks like a link, but it's like dark, you know? And then you can click it. And then maybe something will happen. I don't know. Whatever. Anyway, I'm getting off track. What does Figma look like? Yes, I am with GitHub. So we'll just do like button. Actually, we'll call it CTA, and then we can go crazy with it. Text is white, and then is it underlined? Probably not. Background BG is blue 500 again. Actually, let's not make it blue. Let's make it orange. Yes. And let's change all blues to purple. Yes. And then let's make all your changes orange too. Oh no, Jesus, terrible. Let's make all your purple, and then this is orange. Orange 500, orange 400. And this is also, this button's now orange, and it is, we'll give it padding 4. I'll give it a border radius. Oh, I don't even know what fucking border radius. Border radius rounded. Rounded? Okay. Cool. We'll do rounded MD, and then we'll do there's shadows. Box shadow. Shadow. Go to shadow. MD, and then that's that. See what it looks like. Button. Sign in with GitHub. Of course, this button has two things, right? It's got the text, which can just be floating there, I think. Put in a span. And then it's got this thing that I downloaded before, which is an SVG. And the SVG it's a bit of text. We'll just actually, what does Bootstrap say for the icons? What do we have to do for SVG? This is literally the this is how you do web development. You just go back and forth between things. Ugh. 9 minutes to go until the end of the stream. Whew. Man, it's hard to get these half-hour things going. You know, keep them going. Let's see, did I move anything? Okay, well, we're still okay. There's like a lot of space. Oh, that's the other way. There's like a lot of space over here. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do about that. I'll figure it out next stream. Whatever. It's always gonna be the next stream. Next stream. Okay, SVG sprite, no. Usage. Embedded. SVG sprite, insert any icon through, blah, 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 external image. I'll just do an image, I guess. You know, it seems like you can't color them. So I think this one's white, so it might be okay. I'm not sure. I guess I can color it here. I actually came up with a thing that converts HTML to hiccup, which is what you're seeing here. Okay, what's this path? I guess we can do it manually too, but I think you just say current color. What do they say in the bootstrap thing? Title bootstrap, image, fill. Oh, it's fill. Fill current color. And then maybe I can just like do like a span and then like an image, or maybe I can say image, and then no, I don't want it to be an image. Yes, I do. GitHub.svg. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, jeez, that's totally broken. Oh, what's this? No, it's not. It's just broken altogether. Unknown symbol home. Oh wait, I should actually look at that. Unknown symbol button. Oh, alright, because I call it CTA. Jeez. What a disaster. Whoa! That's not quite what I was going for. Alright, so first of all, it doesn't even see the image, right? GitHub SVG, what the heck? So, I mean, that stinks, right? Yeah, that sucks. I'm not sure what's going on there. Okay, well, never mind then. We're just gonna do it live. We're just gonna embed it, I guess. Or maybe, what is it saying? Use the sprite, use the SVG sprite to insert through the use element. It's a fragment identifier. I like it to reference an external similar to it, but with the power of current color for easy theming. Interesting. Yeah, we're just gonna do it embedded because it's pretty simple. So I might just take this and do this for now. This is painful. I like never do this. Okay, except for now, obviously. And then yeah, we'll just change this to roll and get rid of the spaces and make them symbols and almost done. Oof, man, that was painful. Oh, I still have title. Title? GitHub icon. Get out of here with the title. And then this just needs a ending thingy. And this needs this, and then should be good to go. Let's see. Yeah, it's looking good. Sweet. That was easy. Oh, there it is. So then now I can say current color. Oh, now I can give it like a class, right? I can say text, right? Let's see if it works. Text blue 500. Nice. But I mean, the white is exactly what I wanted. I just want it to be smaller. Height 24. Width 24. Much better. What is up with the size of this button? I don't understand. It's a link, right? Why is it? Oh, maybe the padding? No, there's no way. Sign in with GitHub? What is this bad? What is it? What is going on? It is so big. I was gonna make a joke, but that's kind of inappropriate. What is that? Why is this so massive? What is going on? I think everything is like full width, but I definitely don't want that. I want this to be. I don't want this to be items self stretch. I don't want this to be. I want this to be just like inline block, right? I don't want it to do. Oh, geez, wow, yeah. What the heck? Inline block. What is it? Inline. Okay, what if I just give it like flex? Okay, that's a little better, but it's not what if I just gave it like just a width? Oh, I see. Alright. I mean, it's not really what I wanted to be doing, but what are you gonna do, I guess? Just go to the content of the thing. Like, I don't understand that. This flex auto is probably it. What if I took that away? Oh jeez. Self stretch. Yeah, that stinks. It's definitely this though. What if I took this away? Let's see what it looks like now. Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay. So yeah, this needs to be box 2424. I guess I'll just set this as like width, or can I just say flex auto here? Yeah, or maybe if I made this like an actual button instead, maybe I wouldn't need to do that. Let's see. That's so much for that. Oh my goodness, my VStack thing is falling apart. I don't know what the problem is. It's almost like I need to clear it or something. Let's see. We'll give it a width of something, right? Auto. That's not what I wanted. Let's look at Flexbox actually. We'll go a little further. It's 1028. So this was this flex auto. Short items don't grow with this extra space. Flex initial. Flex 1. I mean flex 1, right? What if I just did flex 1? The spacer's flex 1. Oh, that's not good. Flex 1 on the VStack? No. What if I just give this flex 1? Okay, kind of. Flex 1? Oh. Oh my gosh, this is terrible. Inline block? Yeah, I can live with that. But for oh, this is a SVG, and it's a span, so we'll just do that. Okay, that's not, that's interesting. Oh, because it's inline block? Oh, is it working now? Oh. What if I don't do inline block? Oh. What? It's insanity. What else did I change? Oh, okay, I see flex auto. Maybe I don't need flex and flex auto. Maybe it's flex or, oh jeez, I can't believe I'm going over. I should really just use Bootstrap. I don't know what I'm doing. Flex auto. Yeah. Because if you say flex, like what is the point of that? This is probably, okay, so that's flex auto. They're both flex auto. Okay, this one's flex 1. Oh, it's actually flexing it. Come on now. It's just flex. Okay. Okay. I'm flexing on you. That's it right there. With my flex skills. Clearly I don't have any. That button is looking bad. I don't think I've ever seen a button look that bad before. It's pretty grim. You know what though? We can just start nesting things like this. It's like, I want an H stack, so we're just gonna do perfect, and then we could say space, whoops, hello, class space A, or whoops, space X4. Right between the button. It's too much, a little too much. There we go. Now we're getting somewhere. And then we can also say this is in a container. We can actually give it a spacer on both sides. Oh, no, it doesn't work. Oh, it doesn't. Okay, it doesn't even work. Oh, because I need to be in another H stack. I'm in the button. But what I really want to do is have an H stack here and then give it a spacer. Yeah, and then give it another spacer, and then it's centered. Dude, it's like HTML tables. It's like the best. Have you ever seen something like this incredible before? No, you haven't. You haven't seen. Look at that. Oh my gosh, it's even responsive. Somewhat. Look at. Oh my goodness, this is the state of the art. Okay, Tailwind and Swift UI coming together, perfect harmony. All right. Okay. It's actually looking okay. I mean, it's looking a little weird with the orange. Now that I think about it, it's definitely not what I was imagining when I thought, oh, I'll make it orange. Oh, maybe that's a little... No, that's still ugly. That's ugly. Super ugly. Purple button. It's not bad. I mean, everything's purple. At least it looks decent, right? The dark... Dang, take that dark away. That was a pretty dumb idea. But plus, it doesn't do anything yet. So it's like, over-engineered. Right? It's the death of all premature optimization. It's the root of all evil, or whatever is that premature optimization. So we don't want to prematurely optimize. Yeah, it looks pretty good. I haven't done anything with the databases or GitHub at all. I haven't even signed in with GitHub. But it's 10:33. It's pretty late for me. And if you're watching this, you should stop watching and you should go to bed. Or if you're somewhere else in the planet and you're just waking up, that's fine too. You should eat some breakfast. I don't know what you're doing, but just do something besides look at the computer, because we all spend too much time on the internet. Okay, we need to just calm down with the internet thing, and we need to move on with our lives. Okay, but in the meantime, I'm going to be streaming. All right. Yeah, if you like this stream, go ahead and like and subscribe. All right, I'm done messing around. I gotta get some sleep. Okay, till next time. See you later.